Open source model Qwen 3.8 Max built an entire software stack autonomously for 16 days, outpacing closed models in cost and capability. That single fact rewrites the AI race, turning open systems from niche tools into production champions and promising a new era where anyone can deploy advanced AI without paying sky-high fees. Open source AI just delivered a knockout punch. Qwen 3.8 Max is a multimodal model with a 1 million token context window, agentic workflow capabilities, and API pricing 5 to 10 times cheaper than GPT-4 or Claude. It can work independently for 16 days, writing, testing, and repairing its own code from scratch. It reproduces research papers and improves them. This isn't a demo, it's production. The shift is clear. The billion-dollar walled gardens are being challenged by models you can run, modify, and own. For researchers, this means instant access to a system that can turn a paper into code in days. For founders, it means a prototype without a dev team. The cost is a fraction of what closed models charge. And because it's open, the community can audit, improve, and scale it. The race is no longer about who owns the IP. It's about who can build faster, cheaper, and smarter in the next few weeks. The most striking demo came when Qwen 3.8 Max sat thinking for 16 days. It started from an empty folder, then built a complete software project. It wrote code, ran tests, caught bugs, and iterated, all without human intervention. That level of agentic AI is the holy grail. For researchers, handing a paper to the model yields a working implementation in days. For founders, it means prototyping an entire product without hiring a developer. The production-grade performance is real, not a staged showcase. Because the model is open, anyone can inspect its decision logic, tweak its prompts, or add custom safety layers. The cost is a fraction of the closed models, yet the capabilities are on par. The autonomous workflow changes the equation. Speed, scale, and ownership now favor those who can run the model locally or via a low-cost API and integrate it into product stack to accelerate development cycles, reduce costs, and democratize AI access. Qwen's API pricing sits at 5 to 10 times cheaper than GPT-4 or Claude. This is not a temporary discount. It signals a structural shift. When open models match or surpass closed models on benchmarks while costing a tenth of the price, the market reacts. Expect OpenAI and Anthropic to lower their rates soon. That level of affordability benefits everyone building on AI, especially small teams and individual developers. The second-order effect is a democratization of access. More people can afford to run large-scale inference, experiment, and iterate. That leads to faster innovation cycles, a broader talent pool, and a more competitive ecosystem. Additionally, the lower cost encourages enterprises to host models in-house, reducing vendor lock-in and data privacy concerns. The ripple effect could push other vendors to open their own weights or offer cheaper licensing, further accelerating the open-source movement. This trend may also spur funding rounds for open-source AI startups, expanding the industry's talent and capital base globally. Most benchmarks are gamed. The Humanities Last Exam stands out because it correlates with real-world performance on complex reasoning tasks. When it launched, the best closed model scored around 2%. A year later, an open model crossed 50%. That jump is not just numerology. It shows that open systems can achieve comparable reasoning power without proprietary data pipelines. The benchmark's design focuses on multi-step problem solving, requiring the model to generate intermediate steps, justify them, and verify the final answer. That level of transparency is rare in closed models, which often hide internal reasoning. Watching this benchmark evolve will tell us who can truly solve hard problems. It also indicates which models are ready for deployment in safety-critical domains. As open models gain traction, developers can test their own solutions against a trusted standard, accelerating product readiness. This transparency also allows third-party auditors to validate claims, reducing the risk of hidden biases or performance. If you're a researcher, starting with Qwen 3.8 Max lets you reproduce papers faster. The autonomous workflow means you can hand a new preprint to the model and get a working code base in days, not months. For builders, the low-cost, huge context window and soon-available weights give you a competitive edge. You can run inference locally, avoiding vendor lock-in, and you can fine-tune the model on your data. Students should learn to fine-tune smaller Qwen models. They run on a single GPU and compete with larger closed systems. The golden age of open AI is here, and the tools are in your hands. Clone a model, run an experiment, build something. Don't just watch, participate. The next wave will feature open-source LLMs that can be deployed on edge devices, enabling offline applications. Keep an eye on the community releases and the policy discussions around model safety and data privacy, ensuring responsible deployment across industries globally. The next weeks will see open models releasing their weights, allowing anyone to host them in-house. That will reduce licensing costs and improve data privacy. We should watch how large-scale inference shifts from cloud to edge. The policy landscape will also evolve. Regulators may require transparency reports for open models, similar to current rules for closed systems. Venture capital will increasingly back open-source AI startups, creating a more diversified funding ecosystem. Meanwhile, academic research will benefit from easier access to state-of-the-art models, accelerating scientific discovery. The open model movement also pushes hardware vendors to design GPUs optimized for sparse attention and long context processing, improving energy efficiency. Finally, user communities will grow, creating shared knowledge bases, benchmarks, and safety protocols. The AI race is no longer about who owns the IP, but who can deploy, iterate, and innovate at speed. Their rapid iteration will also uncover new use cases and spur ethical discussions, reshaping the industry's future. Next, see how the open model's weights will transform edge computing, and keep an eye on the policy debates shaping responsible AI deployment. The future of AI is already unfolding. Catch the wave now and discover the tools that let you build, test, and launch AI project from scratch.